Presidente Kadin Indonesia mai visita Timor-Leste onde colheu com a assunto economia no harebesi ba vantagem husi cooperação nação ruanenian hamutu com Câmara Comércio no indústria Timor-Leste. Quinta-feira ia loronça no lore essencial fulan dezembro tina rihunrua no lore sinhat ia salam VIP aeroporto internacional Presidente Nicolau Lobato Comoro Dili. Hanesan país vizinho ho visita Presidente Kadin Indonesia, Arzat Razid Nei, bela hametin lutan relação nota importância ba economia, ba paz no prosperidade, ia nação ruanenian. Tambah ia paz, maka ia prosperidade. Portanto, visita idane hanesan visita dahulu, mai Timor-Leste, no liusi visita idane hakar kare basic vantagem saida mak nação ruane belhetan, husi cooperação nei, liusi assunto economia neng.
Thank you very much, and it is a great pleasure for me to be here, and God bless to all of us. Thank you, Pak George. I'm here is to improve and greater deepening our relationship between Indonesia and Timor-Leste, and this is part of what Pak Prabowo Subianto, our president, policies of what we call good neighbor policies. Is how we would like to work with our neighbors to create prosperity for the people, and of course peace and prosperity. And it is very important that peace and prosperity, we cannot divide this. This is very important. Where you want to have prosperity, you must have peace. Have peace, and you have to have economic growth. And economic growth, then you will have prosperity for the people. And I think we as the business is very important for us to be part of this development of our country, for our people. We are not just doing business for business, but also we are doing business to create employment and also to create economic development for our people, both the people of Timor-Leste and also the people of Indonesia.
Enquanto Presidente Kadin Indonesia to aeroporto internasional Presidente Nicolau Lobato Comoro Dili ia tukurua 5 minuto hat horas Timor-Leste o avião jet privado nebe simu direito husi Presidente Câmara Comércio no Indústria Timor-Leste ho ne equipa. Reportagem no Vai Magno Televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba emogoto. Atua tem informação atual dia kliu. Kita haluha. Hane botão subscribe, like. Halo comentário no Fahia Tutang ba media sosial hotu.